After a few weeks, we got accepted into Amazon's cloud gaming service, Luna. Let's see how it goes. Woot woot! All right, let's see what we got here. Here's the box that came in. Here's how it opens. And let's see. Okay, the trusty old manual, of course. The remote itself. Here we go. I'll show you. And the back has the little Amazon symbol. To me, it always looks like a little smiley face, but it's also an arrow, as you guys probably know. And then it also comes with 2 AA batteries from Amazon Basics. How fitting. Alrighty, with the new controller. Ooh. A Chaos Emerald. As if Sonic wasn't funky enough, they had to make it funkier with Mania. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay. Ah, don't run into anything. Oh yes, there is that option. The spin dash move is available for this one. Almost feel like I'm too close to the screen. Ah! Close call. Whee! I love the many ways to play this game. It's pretty awesome. The difference. Ow! Kill you. Yeah, baby. I love this bubble. It's so much fun. You get all the rings. And you get to do a double jump. Ah, where do I want to go? Oh, no, not there. Oh, this is actually good. I don't want that one. Yeah, extra life, yeah. What do I think of this controller so far? I think so far so good. Whew, close call. Let me go a little farther away. There we go. Ah, where am I going? All the rings over there. No, not that. Don't get that one. Let's see if I can get another extra life. No. Oh man. I like Sonic and Tails. They're like good old friends. They're good old friends of each other and of mine. Ay. Okay, now I'm good. If I lose rings, it doesn't really matter for me. Oh! I don't remember liking these. Right. I mean, okay, let's be real. I never really figured out how to do this. Like, am I supposed to get the blue or not? I think I'm supposed to. That's one thing I never really discovered. Yeah, I'm not doing too good. That's okay. Oh well. Well, I like the joystick. Works out pretty well for this game. Excuse me. Hello, birdie. Let's see if I can get that. No! Whoa! Oh, it's not even about the UFO. I'm not gonna get there in time. Maybe I'm supposed to get as many blues as I can. One day I'll actually research it. Maybe. No, I haven't played Mania too much, so that's probably why I was not tempted to look up what this means. Or how to play this. Yeah, time over. Whatevs. I kind of like that it has the gripping on the back, and I know some Xbox controllers also have that, but that's a good perk. I don't know. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Whee. Boing. Yeah, I don't want. Okay. Oh no! Oh no! Ay ay ay. Oh, I forgot. How do I do this again? Ay 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 ay. Spinny, spinny, spinny. Crap. Oh, I really didn't want to lose all my rings. That's okay. Oh crap. Ah, no. Oh, no. Oh, well, at least I have rings. I'm fine. Yeah, baby. Oh, okay. Oh, jumpy, 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 jumpy. So I noticed something about the controller, but kind of want to hold off until I play some more. Okay, I'll say it. It seems like you have to push a lot more than what I'm used to. It's like it's not as sensitive. Ah! This is what happens when I talk and I don't pay attention. It's just not really as sensitive, I guess. Okay. Ooh, I'm here. Okay. Oh boy, I haven't played this in a hot minute, so let's see how I can do. Oh boy. Okay, looks like fun. Yeah, no! Ooh, oops, okay. Ay. Okay. Ay, okay. So far, so good. Oh, okay. Oh, shoot. I'm like trying to remember how to... Oh, yes. Okay, good. Cool, I got to use, you know, these babies. RT. It's LB. There we go. Heal. I'm okay. Where to go? I don't know if it matters if I go right or left first. She's so cute and badass. What is this? Something? Oh, I see. Stop! Stop it! Oh, okay. Alright, awesome. Oh, I really like this game. No! Make it. Okay, good. Okay. Ooh, what do I gotta do here? I think I gotta put it here. Awesome. What's that little guy? Ooh. Oh, hello! Shoot. Oh, hello. Why is it so close up? That's weird. Come on. Yes. Okay, awesome. And now, is that the piece? Oh, I believe that's the piece that I gotta get over yonder, over there, to complete whatever this thing is. Right, I can do this. Okay. Okay, are you gonna work now? Come on. Hey. Oh. There it is. Now what?
That's catchy. Hummable. But what's it for?
Ah, I love her voice. And her accent's cute. Okay. Kind of take it, I'm supposed to go here, so. Go here I shall. Because here, I'm using, you know, these guys right now. Didn't use them in the other games.
Hi, it's me again, Cindy.
Ooh.
Let's have fun today.
Ay, 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 ay! Oh my gosh. Yeah, baby. I'm riding. This is kind of fun. Oh boy. Okay. Ah, shoot. Oh, go. I like this one though. It's fun. It's trying to challenge you, I think. Whoa, how did I do that? Cool. Yeah. Oh, that was kind of short, so I think either it's short, I just didn't retry that much. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. That one was really fun though. Can I do the same one twice? Nah, I think I'll just do another one. More interesting. Go! Go! Oh! I made it? No, I did not. Okay. No! Ay. God.
You're doing great.
Thanks.
Check the leaderboards to see how your times compare to others.
I don't want to compare myself. Comparison's a thief of joy, y'all. Yeah, oh my gosh, okay.
The sky is up today.
Is this like this hard in real life? Hey. No! Woohoo! Oh god. Okay. Oh my goodness, Yeah. New personal record. So my initial thought was wondering, is this worth the cost? And my conclusion, nope, not really. I mean, I had fun, of course, and you know, it's a beautiful design. It's very comfortable to hold, but the buttons are less responsive than my Xbox, for example. And I don't really care for that too much. You know, maybe over time they would be less stiff. But yeah, because of the glitches, I don't really consider this a beneficial buy. I mean, the sound quality was just fine to me. And I believe that sums it up. Thanks for watching. This has been Tracy with VainSoftGames. If you like what you saw, you could like or leave a comment. Would you like to help support our channel? You can do so by heading over to our Patreon. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell.